Yo, what's up, YouTube? What up, what up, what up? What up, TikTok? All right, man. Here we go. Happy Monday. Hopefully you guys are doing all right. In the Beninging.
In the Beninging.
Something doesn't feel right. I need to have my AirPods in. That's a vibe. All right, let's go. Monday. Let's do it. Let's blow some accounts. I'm gonna do a quick top down here on gold. Oh, let me do a quick top down here on gold, you guys. Monthly, like one of the biggest monthly candles we've ever seen on gold, ever. This might be the second biggest monthly candle we've ever seen on gold in history. Weekly's moving up. Daily's moving up. 4 hours moving up. One hour is moving up. 30-minute. Did a bit of a weird thing here, but it's moving up. And 15's fucking moving up. I mean, what are you gonna do? There's been no like clear setup here right now. What are you gonna freaking do? Type shit. Tell me NQ's got something for us. Tricky day on gold. Yo! All the YouTube cats in the chat, what up, what up, what up? Let's lose some money, absolutely. Yes, sir. NQ hasn't got a whole bunch for us either, right yet. Right yet. GC, let's see what's going on with GC. What you say about NQ T1? Big wick? Let's have a look. Can I get your number? Why? You're talking to me right now. NQT1. GC. Yeah, exactly. What Mercedes saying here is gold's been consolidating all day and then now it's kind of moving up in like an ugly fashion. Like, what are you going to do? There's nothing you can do right here. Bloods shirts, yeah. You know the Bloods freaking thing? Pull this one at Kingston Traino. Big fan, Mr. D. Your strategy, I earned $25. Nice. Can I have some? Dan, I love you, bro. Love you too, my G. Love you too. Yeah, so like we're saying, here's a good level on gold actually for a closer below. Like we're saying, gold's kind of just moving in a kind of ugly fashion, so we're gonna have to wait and see if anything happens here. What amount of contracts do you think is good for a 50k funded on Top Step? It depends on your risk tolerance and experience level, bro. What do we got to the left? That's a good question. Let's have a look to the left. I feel like I'm gonna have to scroll for a fair while. Sorry. Oh, no. No, it's clean. Clean. I don't even care about this level here. I think this is clean. This is clean. It's too far away, but it is clean. It's just 1 point. It's clean. Yep. Oh my god, W fucking... yeah, come on, gold. Be a good boy for us. What's good, gang? Yeah, let's see what we can get here. That's going to be the biggest thing. Drop a thumbs up for the chat as well for the YouTube stream. Drop a thumbs up for the YouTube stream, otherwise you're a hater. There's no other explanation. Oh, gold's going to be a butt plug. Was anyone able to find some sort of entry? I can't see if there's. I can't make an entry out of this. Potentially here at like NY, like this 5-minute open. You looking for buys or sells, bro? If you have to ask that, then you need to literally be nuked. You need a grenade. You need to catch a grenade. Nah, as of right now, the market's moving up, so I'm looking for buys. If it breaks below this level, I'll look to sell, depending on what the other time frames look like. Yeah, there's been no good entry on gold. That's right. Like it's required patience today. That's for sure. Is it Monday? Yeah, it's Monday as well. Don't know who's my daddy. He adopted me and made me rich. Let's go. Adoption goals. Adoption strat. Today is not a good week. Yeah, I'm live on TikTok right now. Exactly. Mondays are no exception. Why does my thing say go live? That's weird. Oh, here we go. W freezing. Let's see what gold he can give us. Ideally, he can give us a trade. Well, it was moving up last week and you was looking for sells. Oh, I'll look for, like, my bias isn't set purely. It's just whatever the market's showing me at the time during the session I'm trading. It's just moving up now, so I'll look for buys until it starts coming back down, then I'll potentially look for sells. Daniel, I want to thank you. You are the ultimate contrarian indicator. For instance, whenever you open a buy position, I open a sell position, and that's how I made... That's not true, because think about how many times I've streamed lately. I barely got a trade lately. And I think most times I've streamed is I've been taking dubs. So yeah, you kind of cooked yourself. First time coming to live. What up, G? What up? Welcome in. What's the 4 hour look like on Forex? Damn, gold. You really that guy, pal. You really that guy, pal. Is gold gonna pull back, you guys? Today's PA deserves Daniel fart? Legit, this has been the PA today. If you get impatient or FOMO from this and take a bullshit trade, you deserve this. On top of the dome piece. Tuned in about 5 times, seen one trade and it was a loss. Cool. No one tuned into you because we don't know who you are, where you're from, and you're probably ugly. Damn, are we gonna get a pullback? Or are we gonna get Mondayed? I swear you're at 50k subs now, you're up near 80. Yeah, your boy's slowly growing. Oh, the ranges are big. This is 200 pips. Wow, okay. No trade day for you? I mean, yeah, not a bad day to have a no trade day, that's for sure. Oh, Zane turned 22, nice. Welcome to the freaking... Welcome to the club. Makes us both 22. Oh, I just seen lean hogs. Fucking hell. Yeah, I'm looking for a trade here, you guys. I'm looking for potential signs of a potential setup. That's all. So we've got 2 minutes for this candle closure here. Want to see some sort of pullback or something. China prop firm. China funding. We got the most payout denials in history. You could see it was a clear buy, it held that level, but just couldn't bring myself to buy. Yeah, like it's pretty obvious direction. It's just, yeah, finding the entry. Yeah, it's just finding the entry. Daniel lost so much money that he's afraid to open trades. Yeah, I've only made hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. All documented everywhere. Go onto my YouTube, Brokey. Of course, it's some YouTube page with no subscription, no photos, no videos. You're not that guy, pal. Oh, Daniel from Pakistan, learned from you a lot. Let's go. Thank you, Artif. All right, about to get this candle closure. Getting this closure here, up in the air. How did NQ close? Whoa, NQ just like ran out of gas fully. That's such a high volume time. That's almost unusual. Big bullish closure up here. Could you show your trade history 5k to 100k? Bro, that account's long gone. Yeah, that account's long gone, my G. But I did a 2-day webinar where we broke everything down. So should have been there for that. If you still know about that challenge, I'm surprised you weren't at the webinar. We did a 2-day webinar breaking it all down. So give us trade. Alright, so in the best case scenario, price just fucking rejects here and then gives us some sort of red structure. Give us something, Goldie. Yeah, like an impulse would be if it failed here, came back in the range and then presented some bullshit like this and you could buy it up. But even that, I don't know if I like that. Because that would mean that would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks at the exact same area, and it's very unusual to see that. If it's going to do that, price would typically like kind of smash through it. What was the lot size you used when you started off with the 5k account? I'll show you. Was it this? I think this was like the first, my first 5 trades or 6 trades on that account was wins. I was on like, I started really strong. I'm pretty sure this is it because this isn't, I started on Toro Markets platform and this is what Toro Markets looks like, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It was like 100, then it went up to 300s. Just gradually increase. Come on, gold, pull back. Do you have a trade options? Nah. What about a small red body, bullish on the next one? Oh man, that would be like a risky play, just up in the air, just hoping for momentum. Maybe. It wouldn't be a good trade, but it would be a trade that I'll take on stream out of boredom. Daniel opens a trade, he wins, he wonders how he won. If he loses, he treats it just like another day. I wouldn't say the first part is true, but the second part is definitely true. Yeah, bro, this dude's just trying to rage bait. We've got to wait for a bit of price action. Tell us interesting things about your students. What are you seeing from top problems and which students are overcoming those problems? I see everyone goes through the same problems at different stages of their journey. Yeah, I see the same problems at different stages of the journey. It's usually deviating from the system and then they're getting burnt and having to come back and pull it back in line. It's either not taking the course material serious enough and then there's fundamental holes in the strategy, so they keep getting burnt. Once those are patched up, then there's potentially like psychological challenges, like, oh, I want to make the money quicker, so they size up and potentially run into dangers with that. And then there's others that are just lazy, and you won't get anywhere with that. But it's just a consistent game of patching up holes. And we get together quite frequently in the group as well and like work on shit together. So we're always staying sharp with technicals as the market conditions change and develop. We want to grow and adapt with it. Yeah, that's mainly it. Yes, good boy, Gold. Keep pulling back. Yo, what up, Harmless? Oh, yeah, I seen, yeah. Oh, on it. Yeah. On it. Let's see what gold can do here. Can we get something goldy? Yeah. fuck it. It's too cold. How much income comes from trading plus other stuff? It's hard to say. I make a lot of money trading though. Roughly how many months did it take you to go from 5K to 100? It took like 3.5 months. Yeah, I think it took about 3.5 months. Yes, gold. Pullback. We all rich. Talking about trading, things to improve on in trading. This weekend, hey, whether you're from the US or from Australia, I'm running a free webinar here. I'm going to run it twice in the same day so I can hit the US and Australia. So both guys, because the amount of times I run a fucking webinar and guys goes, bro, this is at 2 a.m. my time. I'm going to post a link in the chat right here. You can register for it right now because it's going to be for this weekend. Free webinar. Boom. Yeah, register for this one. And let me pin this. I'm going to break it down for Australian guys and for US guys as well, so timings work. Why most traders never leave the challenge phase. How to pass challenges in 1 to 5 days. How to get consistent. Like there's a cycle of payouts. The approach that we use for cycling through payouts. Stop emotionally investing in your accounts. How to scale without resetting. And then a live Q&A at the end. So we've got a timer down here, so register for that one. It's completely free. And essentially level up your trading, my G. That's going to be the biggest thing. All right, beautiful. Getting some sort of pullback at a high volume time. This is good. This is good. Yes, gold. Pull back, you little fucking doggy. Pull that shit back, son. You know, I'm in a constant state of blocking people on TikTok. Like, it's just every 2 minutes. But it's usually like bots that say, come to my channel for signals. What do you think about AI trading? Yeah, I don't think it's worth thinking about. How much is a free webinar? Did leaving your job make you a better trader? I remember when you were doing both back in the day. I don't think it necessarily made me a better trader. I'm pretty good at doing things and taking risks and not allowing it to like dwell in my mind and think about it too much. So when I quit, I just kept doing what I was doing. I didn't think about it too much. I didn't get in my head too much. And that's really important as a full-time trader. Here's 3 things I've learned as a full-time trader living in Dubai. Here's 3 things I've learned as a 19-year-old millionaire living in Dubai. Can you guys believe I'm only 19? All right, so we've got 4 minutes here. We're about to come into NYSE Open, the New York Stock Exchange. And hopefully we can get something happening here. Oh, from Bali, what up, what up? Love you too, my G. Turning 100K in 3 months is crazy. 3.5 months. I guess it is pretty crazy when you think about it, yeah. I mean, you can do it quick and you can do it aggressive, but it's too risky. So I just, yeah, kept chipping away. How much is a free webinar? Hey, 19, more like 49. No! Don't make me transform into a Sigma wolf. Low key seeing sells. Man, if I seen a very strong candle closure here, I would potentially sell as well. Came here sometimes to learn, listen, some funny stuff. Number one, the birds scam me for drinks. No, you gotta be onto that, man. You can't let these birds scam me for drinks, my dudes. No question, you're a great trader by coming here for entertainment. Oh, brother. Ugh. Yeah, last stream we were talking. It was like a dating advice stream, right? Dating 101. All right, man. All right, brother. Gold's, we've got 1 minute here for some big closures. If gold closes small body red, maybe impulse buy. Yeah, I know, I got scammed. Best chat pickup line? You're coming home with me. If not, you have no choice. Because I'm gonna freaking force you. Okay, don't say that. I got roasted. Yeah, that's right. Fuck. Sorry, brother. Sorry, my G. Yeah, sorry, man. But I think it was all relevant. Any tips for ranking up on... I'm caught now after that pickup line. Sorry. What are we going to do with this freaking closure? Here we go. NYSE open. Whoa. W. Yeah, I mean the shittest closure on gold. This is futures, bro. What up, Kim? All right, man. Here we go. Fucking hell. Gold today is like. Gold's just not giving anyone any good like structural setups. Is it? FOMO strat, yeah. I mean, that's the only one that's going to really work out today. Anq is literally like going to zero. Anq's going to zero, chat. Speak Donald Trump. We got the most African Americans. We're gonna have to be patient, I guess, unfortunately. Yeah, looks like we may have to be patient. Yeah, can't do too much right yet. I do believe there's a high probability this candle closure will give us a bit more indication. But yeah, gold's been very Monday-ish. Gold's been very Monday-ish. That blonde chick. Oh, Abby. That's right. What indicators do you use? None, bro. Just price action trading. PA. PA trading. Why don't you take Roger Banks impulse? I don't know anything about anything. US 30? I don't know. Not really. Goldie Cookie today? You're probably not alone, bro. It's been a bit of a trickier one. It's definitely required patience. Bit of an orb strategy? Nah, orbs isn't orb like opening range breakout, so it's like session dependent. I don't even know really what that shit is, but I don't think it is. I tried Impulse, got SL. Yeah. Have you ever tried the ITH whip? What the fuck? Is that really a thing? Can't tell if I'm being trolled. Yeah, this looks good. I have $10 on account and I'm down by $2 now. Yeah, so gonna have to go back to work or something. Gold's probably just gonna fly. There's nothing I can do. Mark out the 15 high and low. Yeah, that's right. Wait for a retest and same direction. Nah. I don't actually like those strategies. I think they're bad. And I'll say it. I actually think they are bad because it doesn't require any like technical abilities. It doesn't require the skill of reading candles and market structure. It's just like mark high and low and press button when candle does bing. And it's like, yeah, but what are you going to do when market conditions change and that doesn't really work? Like, how are you going to, at some point, you're going to need to learn to read candlesticks. You're going to need to learn to read market structure. If it was that simple, you could just code a bot to do it, and you would just go jack off all day while the bot presses a button. Yeah, I think so. I think so, Adrian. Yeah. Force strat. Mark out the high and the low of your Japs. I feel like repping my own shit again. W hat. Doubt me now, Mum. What up, Teef? Bro, how to join your community? I won't tell you that, but I will tell you this weekend, I'm running a free webinar about the 3-step system to get consistent payouts. It's a free group. It's a free webinar. There's a link here in the chat. And this is going to be a good chance for you to learn some valuable content for free. Oh, here we go. TikTok's yapping on about something here. GIFs are restricted due to reproduced content, whatever that means. Appeal. Fuck it, jungle beats are on. Nothing can take me down when this song's on. Why don't you take long? Because of 30-minute time break. Don't have confirmation on lower. Oh, was there a dude that went long on NQ? Fuck. Fuck. Yeah, NQ's going 0. How are things in Dubai with the flights? Yeah, everything's chill. What's the reason for living in Dubai? Just taxes and stuff, I guess. We love Music 6. Alright, gold. Nice. I like we're getting some red. How much a year do you earn in tax for Albanese? I'm in Dubai, bro. No boyfriend, no girlfriend, no problem, no balance. No... Yeah. Jumanji track. Alright, we just broke the lows there. Yeah, potential sells, we'll see. Yes, sir. DJ Khaled. Timo, this is your fucking DJ track. Registered. Nice. Let's go. Alright, man, we've got 4 minutes for a confirmation candle. What are you going to give us, Goldie? Because I will get aggressive with a buy. I will get aggressive with a buy. Can you explain the zone marked where there's lots of rejections? Just, yeah, candle closure with rejections, level of support. Maybe if a candle were to come down and close below, I'd be pretty interested in a sell. Cool. Sell? Yeah, we'll see. I'll buy if it closes. Oh man. If this 15 closes above here, I'll buy. I usually don't like these types of breakouts, but there's just so much bullish volume. Hey Dan, I registered for the webinar. Is there supposed to be a Zoom link? Yeah, you'll get confirmation. You'll get confirmation. Legit, Timo. 100%. I do trade as a full-time because I have good income, but my problem is I feel bored most of the time working without charts. I don't understand what you mean. I'm dumb sometimes. I don't get it. Do you mean, are you a full-time trader? Is that what you're saying? Or you have a full-time job and you trade? If you're a full-time trader but you're saying you're bored, that's where now you use the time that you have on your hands to start a different business or start some other companies to put focus into. Because you're not going to be trading all day. You're only going to be trading for a period of time. I use a 15-minute breakout strategy every day, 95% win rate. Let's go. Let's go. Are you hoping to, bro? I hope to trade every day. I hope to trade every day. Yeah, I'm doing a bit of top step. Look at NQ. Oh my god, it's going to be in the bottom of the earth, isn't it? Yep. That's wild. NQ's going to zero, you guys. Why didn't we sell at the top? I was saying, like, man, once NQ... I was literally saying, once NQ breaks above this level here, I'm going to sell. Why didn't I listen to myself? I'm such a poo-poo head. Oh yes, I'm a full-time trader. I have so much time during the day. Yeah, like I said, now's your chance, brother. Focus on some other shit. Get some other streams of income. Like start some businesses. They're probably going to fail, but just try. Start doing some different shit. Try some shit. Because if you're a full-time trader, you've essentially got like sort of an infinite money glitch. Sort of, because you're going to lose money as well, but you just know you can always make money. So now's the time to fucking try some shit, bro. 100%. If we get a closure below this level, we've got fucking 10 seconds on the clock. Of course you want to do it last second goal. Come on, break below. $30 still open. Interesting. Tough conditions today, you guys. Be extra patient for confirmation. Bro, today I'm in so much pain that I can't even express it. The profit that I made last week, I lost it all in just one day. I lost 10% of my account today. I'd made 10% last week and today. Brother, I get it, man. I get it, bro. I get it, bro. I fucking get it, man. I get it, bro. The amount of times trading has made me cry, feel like a loser. I get it, bro. You're just gonna have to try and learn from it and come back stronger. That's all you can do. That's literally all you can do. If you really want this, you're gonna have to just know that, hey, this happens to the best of them. And I'm not saying the best of them is me. I'm just saying that every trader's gone through this and will go through this. You're just gonna have to learn from it and figure out how you can do it better tomorrow. It's been a year, Daniel, and I'm not profitable, but I haven't ever blown up my account. Can I keep my hopes up? You're doing it wrong. You're playing the game wrong. You're playing the game all wrong. Fuck it, I'm taking my hat off for that. You're playing the game all wrong. You can't be profitable without blowing a fucking account. You have to blow accounts. You know that guy accounts? Blow him. You have to. You're playing it way too safe, my G. What are we doing? Don't you want to be a millionaire? No, I'm serious. Don't you want to be a millionaire? Don't you want to save your fucking family? You've been trading for a year, but you haven't blown an account. What are we doing? What are we doing? Go back to fucking working at Woolworths. You gotta put risk on the table, my G. Alright, Gold, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Alright, at least we have a support, a fucking resistance level here now. I want to be rich to help my family. Brother, I hear you, man. I hear you. We're all in the same boat. But you're gonna have to put risk on the table. You're gonna have to do some self-analysis. How did you know that the trend down when it looks bullish? No, just identify what you're looking at right now. If the market's moving up or down, that's all. Why didn't you buy off this line? Because that was never the plan. Wow, Gold, what the hell is wrong with you, my G? Yeah, I've read The Best Loser Wins. Great book. Then I've tried trading since COVID. I have lost so much. Oh, I have lost not much, but I start consistently winning since last year. It took me 5 years. Nice. Oh, but then I start losing again now. Advise me. Yeah, it's hard for me to advise you because I don't know why you're losing, like what's going on. Yeah, it's hard. I don't know your strat. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know nothing about you. So it's going to be really difficult for me to give you any advice. Wow, Gold. All right, if we break above here, I'll buy. I'll do it. What's your biggest loss ever? Oh, not much. Like 11K or something. I love accounts. Change his name to accounts. That's me. Let's see what this candle does, man. This is a game. The patient traders get paid. We've got to be patient. Trust me, I want to just show up to stream and take a trade and say, see you later, guys. But it just doesn't work like that. We've got to be patient. How do you find what you have to offer to start a business other than being a mentor? Great question. Do you know how I find it? I just try things. That's all. But I don't know what to do. Try things. I'll do this. I'll start a perfume brand. Oh, what if I want to start my own cologne? All right, let me start Googling. How do I make my own cologne? Oh, there's a place where you can like mix it up and you can smell it and taste test it. Okay, then let me start a social media account. Let me start spamming social media about, hey guys, just started a new cologne. It's for, guys that want to smell this, whatever. Just try shit. That's the only way you're ever going to find anything out. No, but I want to follow my passion. Fuck your passion. Bro, my passion used to be 3D digital art. I was spent so many hours and time creating digital art because I was going to be this fucking hotshot digital artist in the film and game industry, which I got pretty close. I did end up doing that, but I wasted so much time because it was my passion. It wasn't until I just started trying shit that I was like, oh, there's a lot more fulfillment and money in just trying shit. I often watch your live streams and I follow your approach while taking trades. I usually only take 2 trades a day, just like you, but I'm not able to follow this discipline for about a week. Yeah, that's normal, bro. That's why it's always good to have multiple accounts as well. Like take or trade on one account, move over to the next one if you want to take another. Like you got to cycle through accounts. You got to learn to leave an account alone for the day. I get it. If you take a loss on an account, and you want to trade still, just at least move over to a different account or something. Yeah, what Adrian said. Hey, if this comes down and closes small body green, I might impulse sell. If you had to choose between funded or personal, they're both very particular game. Yeah, I like both. Yeah, if this comes down and closes small body, I might take an impulse. I think there's a very high interest area. Oh wow, I've been trading since COVID, but after the YouTube tutorials finally became profitable. This is crazy. Good shit. Do you stream every day? Nah, I don't stream every day. I mean, I do in the mentorship group, but not on YouTube. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy stuff here on gold, you guys. Look at it going up and down so much. Yo, Big Joe Trades. What up, cuz? Yeah, I'm good, bro. Just watching gold here. Watching nothing, really. Watching price move up and down. Watching price fucking move up and down. I hope you're good, my G. My advice, understand we're all in the same boat. Yeah, we're all in the same boat. Exactly. Yeah, let's see, man. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, my man. Oh, Trump. Yeah, and Q fucking tank city. Bro, please get me a funded account. I've already lost so much money. Please, bro, I really need your help. Nah, 5K, nah, you're just gonna lose it. Again, this is what I always say to the guys that ask for money and shit. I'm like, you have to figure it out. If I give you money, you're not gonna learn the valuable lessons you needed to learn in order to transcend to the next level in life. You have to figure it out yourself. You have to push through that pain. I know it sucks. I know it sucks. The amount of times I needed money and help as well. But if I didn't fucking figure it out myself, I wouldn't have learned the valuable lessons that I needed later on in life. It's just the nature of life. You have to figure it out yourself, my G. I'm sorry. I know it sucks. I know it sucks. I feel your pain, bro. I feel your pain. I remember like being with a girlfriend in my 20s and just like my car fucking oil started leaking out. I just lost my job. She worked as a hairdresser and we lived in a one-bedroom apartment together. And I was just a fucking loser. I had nothing. I had no money. I had nothing. I had ambition, but no, I wasn't coming out in any form. And I had no parents to ask for money from either. I had no one. I was just like, the pain. I can still feel the pain of just being so broke. And it's summertime in Australia and I'm isolated. I have no car, no money, a bitch that doesn't fucking respect me. and just like, please God, I need help. No, he gave me help, but it wasn't in the form of a handout. And I remember the pain, and I don't ever want to go back to that. And that's like a driving force now. So you need to go through it. I'm sorry, my G. You have to go through it, bro. Stop calling me Mountain, I'm in the trenches here. Brother, like I'm saying, you gotta figure it out. Just the only advice I would say is don't be like me. I waited too long before I took action in figuring it out. I dwelled in the dumb shit for too long. How do you manage risk on trades you take? Do you use the same lot on every trade? It stays around the same area, but slightly deviates on each way, depending on the quality of the setup. Appreciate you, Adrian, brother. My ex-wife said I have no money now. She can kiss my ass. Well, at the same time, bro, and this is something I say, all my relationships in the past, I've been broke as fuck. And the bitch hasn't respected me because of it. And I hated the fact that she didn't respect me because I had nothing to offer financially and just as a man. But now I'm like, yeah, she shouldn't have respected me. She shouldn't have respected me. The darkest side of female nature is when you're a loser. That's when you'll see the darkest side of female nature. The only thing darker than that is when you're a loser, but in a relationship. You don't want to be that, my G. So that's why I always say, you got to be rich, funny, interesting, fucking charming, look good. It's true. You got to level up. As a guy, you got to level up in all departments. You have to. You just have to. Losers are invisible to women. It's harsh. So, when you think about things like looks maxing, for instance, it sounds gay, right? And it doesn't mean to fucking paint your nails. It means just to do things to improve even the way you look. Like it's about everything. It's your money, it's your looks, it's your personality, it's your communication. You got to level up in all departments or you'll be left behind. All good. All good. You can date fucking Susie the ugly bitch. All good. But yeah. So we'll get this candle closure here in a minute. Before funded account, would you prefer consistency rule? Depends. Oh, look, now TikTok's banning me. Like, how am I so banned for saying and doing nothing? Like, what do I possibly do? There's guys that do like these call shows where they get people to call in and debate about Trump and they say the craziest shit, but I get banned for saying, I want you to level up and not be a loser. Through the pain all by yourself. Yeah, man, that's the only way forward. Fuck, man, this PA is tough, you guys. This PA is fucking not very good. Yeah, don't be scared to take risks. What the worst thing happen, you end up in the same position. Exactly. Watching you makes it seem like you never struggled, brother. That's good that you feel that way, but now that you know a little bit and maybe over time you'll learn a little bit more about me, it's the opposite of that. Because I used to watch guys like me, guys that were trading and doing well financially and think, man, I could never be like that. Like, them guys are, nah, bro, I'm just a fucking scumbag from Bean Lee. Yeah, this is tough price action, man. I wanted to take an impulse down like below here if this green candle was a bit smaller in the body, but now it looks like I'm gonna need to wait for an actual break below. It's a bit too fat in the body. When you moved to Dubai, did you have to pay taxes in Australia? When I moved to Dubai, I immediately made all the money and got everything that I ever make from that moment onwards into a Dubai account. Do you ever do longer trades instead of just scalping? Yeah, sometimes. I have a couple of accounts that I'll do like swing intraday shit. I've had a few things that I have tried, but nothing has come close to money I see in trading. I started online shoe retail in grade 10 and saw, brother, you're gonna need to do more than start a fucking shoe retail in grade 10. You're gonna need to do more than start an online store in grade 10. You're going to need to do something new every 5 seconds and just keep throwing shit at the wall. Something will stick. Trust me, I've done it all. If there was a list of how many jobs or entrepreneurial endeavors I've pursued, you would be sick. You'd be like, this dude's actually something wrong with him. And most things don't work immediately. You have to put time and energy in for ages. Same goes for men. My husband doesn't respect me because I couldn't crack the hack of getting rich. Nah, he's a loser. It's not your obligation to get rich. No dude wants a rich chick. If there was a chick that was like a millionaire and a chick that worked at Macca's, and they were both equally hot and the same person, the 90% of guys are going to go for the girl that works at Macca's, because the traits and characteristics that a person has to have in order to become a millionaire is typically masculine traits, and men aren't into masculine traits in a woman. It's, yeah, these fuckers are going crazy on me, man. See, when you start spitting facts, TikTok, they're trying to hold, they don't want this shit out there, bro. They don't want you to level up, my G's. Look, now they make me do puzzles and everything. They don't want you to level up, bro. Yeah, bro, full switched up. I'm fucking hating on me to this point. Yo, what up, Shib? Those women aren't showing you respect when you have money. They want to be around rich guys. Yes, a lifestyle. No, that's not true. That's not true, because in order to be rich, you have to be a particular type of person. In order to be broke, you also have to be a particular type of person. So when I was broke, trust me, bro, I've had enough sample size of being broke and being with fucking hot bitches. When I was, and I've always got chicks and girlfriends that are way out of my league just because I happen to have other traits that are attractive to women. But in order to maintain them and have respect, if you're broke, you'll never do it. You'll never do it. You'll never maintain respect in a relationship if you're broke. It's not because they're looking for money. It's because it's in their nature. It's in their DNA. They want a guy that can prove that they have the ability to sustain a family if that happens. How are you going to sustain a family if you have no money? So inherent, like by default, they're going to lose respect in you and just naturally drift off into looking for other guys, because you're not capable of providing that. Daniel Tate, it's not even, I'm not saying anything red pilled. I'm just saying straight up, like, it's just human, it's just facts. Think about it. Because biologically, at some point, the female is going to be pregnant, so she's going to be out of the game for 9 months. That's where, like, the man has to step up. And if you can't even fucking step up for yourself, how are you going to step up for her? I get it. I don't like to hear it either. I've been in many relationships as the broke guy, and it's very painful. We can't all have an absolute chopper though. What's a chopper? What if I don't want a family? It's not about you, it's about what the girl wants. Tough conditions here, man. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. We're here looking for a trade, but very cooked conditions. If NQ breaks below here, I'll sell the shit out of NQ. If we get a closure below on NQ, I'll very sell it. Why not use blue color instead of green? Sir, it feels like you're very wealthy and then became even richer. It seems like you never... Bro! Dude, if you knew anything about my life, I grew up in the pits of hell, bro. Trust me. I grew up in the pits of hell, my brother. I promise you. I never came from money. When he says chopper, I think he's referring to large manhood. No, surely not. That's why you try and make this trading shit work. But yeah, don't ever and that's the other thing, don't have to put your eggs all in one basket. When I was working on trading, that's why I also started social media, because I started using affiliate deals with prop firms and getting fucking, guys on social media use my affiliate code with prop firms and started making money from there. And then guys asking me, hey bro, can you teach me? Yeah, I'll teach you. It's $200. Like, learn how to diversify your skill set as well. Or you don't even have to have a skill set. Like, you don't need a skill set to start social media and fucking promote a prop firm affiliate code. All right, NQ might be our last hope here, man. Oh yes, good boy. Break below NQ. Nah, Zame, I don't see anything on gold, personally. Best to leave this complex topic. Most men will fail and learn from their mistakes. Yeah, of course. But awareness is important as well. Like, I didn't know a lot of this shit back in the day. The people in the chat don't know the bricklayer times. Wait, who is this? Who's IBS? If you came from money, do you think you would be in the same position you are right now? I don't think so. I think about that a lot recently. I'm like, man, if I have kids, how am I going to level these little bitch-ass motherfuckers up? Because the most leveling up is through pain, usually. But I think you can still instill a lot of... If you have good leaders, you can instill a lot of the habits without going through the pain. Definitely. But to get to like an exceptional level, like to crawl out of the shit and make something of yourself is really difficult if you haven't got good leaders, like parents. Bro, what the fuck are you doing going live if you can't trade live? If you can't trade live, then don't go live. Bro must be butthurt because I'm triggering him with what I'm saying. Left hand side on NQ is bad. No, is it? Fuck, let's have a look. Oh yeah. Fuck. Fuck. We'll see. I might. What does it look like on the 30? Please be clean. Not really. Damn, you guys. I want to trade, man. It's so hard to fucking just jump on and see a setup, man. Like, what are you going to do here? There's just no... Oh, I've been following your journey. Nice. Appreciate you, brother. What's the worst 9-to-5 job you had, bro? I'll tell you right now. It immediately comes to my head. Oh, it's so bad. I got a job at this factory. It was like a cotton factory, and it was a conveyor belt went along, and sheets, like literal bed sheets, would come along, and you would grab them and throw them in a hole. Grab them, throw them in a hole. And I was the only white guy there. It was like Asians and Somalian chicks, like older women, and no one spoke English. I'd sit there and throw these things in the hole. It was like this cotton factory. And the pay was so bad. I did it for a week, and then my pay came through. It was like so much less than what they told me it would be. And I confronted them. They basically said, get fucked. And then I had to quit, and I called my girlfriend. I'm like, oh, I have to quit. I just have to. And she started crying. I was like, oh my God. Because she's like, not this broke retard again. He got a job, and now he's already quitting. I only remember because of the pain of how bad it was. And then one day, because it was a cotton factory, there was like little things of cotton everywhere inside, and the whole thing went on fire. I was like, yes, it's burning down. Please burn down. And it didn't burn down, but it was the best day of my life. Oh, the pain. It still feels like yesterday. Like the pain of being broke. I just could never do it again. That's why I'm 35. I'm like, I'm not having kids. I'm not doing anything until I'm rich as fuck. The pain of being broke, it's just, I can't drag anyone else into that ever again. Saddest personal story. Oh, fuck. It's just what it is. All right, I've got a minute for a closure here. The issue with NQ, I want to sell, but like someone said, it's choppy to the left. Hey bro, I've been following you for a long time, never want to give away, and you never will. Yeah, even if I do one and I see you now, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to give it to you. Because you're just using me, my G. You don't even love me. If you are profitable, when will you consider quitting your job if you're making 3 times a month in trading? 3 times a month? Wait, what? 3x? I mean, depends on it. Man, if I started, like back in the day, if I was making the same amount of money I made in trade as my job, I'd probably just quit. I fucking hated working. Yeah, I've worked in frozen factories as well. They're the worst. Yep. All right, guys, I've got one more candle in me. If this next candle can break below here, I'm very happily sell. But if that can't happen, I'm just, yeah, there's nothing happening here, my G's. The pain of being broke could be the title of a movie. Oh, man. NQ didn't break below either. Oh yeah, Slaughterhouse, yep, done that too. The worst. That's the worst, yeah. I quit my job but still not making money, then that's just dumb, bro. That's not a good idea, G. That's not a good idea, my G. Damn, I want to sell gold, man. If we can actually be nice just for once in human history and actually close below. I may even take an impulse. Maybe, but that's just me kind of getting impatient as well. There's a break of the low. Damn. I wouldn't take an impulse if I wasn't on stream. I won't do it. Oh, obviously, I'm looking for a closure below here. It might just melt. There's a high probability it'll just melt. What are you going to do? Nick took second L with buy. Yeah, the thing is, I don't see any like structural confirmation of anything just yet. The clearest thing I see right now is a potential sell below here. But I feel like there's a probability it will melt. Let's see if there's confirmation for an impulse. So I just broke the previous 1 hour low. Nah, I'm clutching at fucking straws or whatever that saying is. Yes, Ty. Bro's finally able to lock in on the 9 to 5. Let's go. Yeah, I know, Adrian. Literally, man. There's a big, like, this is either gonna melt or just not. If I had something that looked a little bit different to what I see here, I would be looking to impulse this, but I just can't. How much R is your win rate on 100 trades? Probably around 68%, I would say. Be good to us, Goldie. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. Also, this weekend, whether you live in Australia or the US, I'm running a free webinar, the 3-step system. Why most traders never leave the challenge phase. How to pass your challenges quicker, how to stay consistently in the cycle of payouts, and much, much more. Here's a link. Register now before you miss out. And we're going to run a free webinar for you guys. Go register now or else you're going to get cooked. When was the last time you blew an account? Oh, all the time. I haven't been trading much prop lately, but yeah, it just happens, bro. Night trading, bro. I follow this, man. Have you guys seen that guy? It's like, he's the fuck, man. It actually makes me laugh out loud. He's like, what's the one he always says? Oh, how many companies in the S&P 500? And they're like, oh yeah, like a couple of thousand easily. And it's always got the fucking, oh, it's so good. What broker do you use? Nah, I can't put you on game, dog. I can't put you on game. If you start using, yeah. It's like, what? Someone said, he goes, what broker do you use? And he's like, oh, at least 100,000 or something like that. It's like, huh? Oh, I love it. Exposing day trader laughers. Are you investing or building new companies besides trading? Yep, I've been working on 2 companies for over a year that I'm gonna be releasing very soon. Will you record it? No. That's why I've split it up into 2 time frames so 2 people time frames can be there. Oh yeah, 100% Adrian. Yeah, we get that. I'm fucking all in. I can't put you on drip. Oh, that's so good. I brought the top of gold and SL at support. Oi. Nah, TraderBait's a good platform. Yeah, TraderBait's good. Wait, what can't you figure out with TraderBait? But can never figure out how to get it set up. Look at this. Oh, I got a decent, I'll get a payout with Apex here if I get 150 bucks tomorrow. Yeah, I use TraderBait for Apex. No, TraderBait for sure. Rhythmic is like fucking trading on a freaking trading on a fucking calculator. Nasdaq 300. If this candle closes like this, I'll buy gold. 100%. Fuck all my haters. If this closes exactly like this, I'll buy gold. I use an end of day drawdown, yes, and it fucking does my head in. No, I'm using trailing, but it still has daily drawdown, yeah. I didn't even realize. Apex, that's kind of new for Apex, I think, daily drawdown. It's so annoying, it serves no purpose. If anything, it probably saved the account. It's like, all right, you can stop me out, but now I'm gonna take money off you because you let me not blow the account. If you just let me blow the account, I wouldn't take the money off you like tomorrow. Oh, there you go. Adrian just dropped in the chat there what to watch. Oh, he did massive Bitcoin and then gold deleted it? Yeah. This guy. I registered. Is there any giveaways? Bro, I'm going to find your name in the registration and block you. Yeah, I got a couple of top step expressies. Oh fuck, how do I get Google? Yo, what up, Alex? I'm doing amazing. Yeah, it's a giveaway of free knowledge, exactly. That's the giveaway. Standard or no activation? I'd say for most people, go standard, because you're probably going to blow it, so just pay less. Nah, I'm in Dubai, I just got the aircon pumping. No entry today, there's about to be an entry in 5 minutes. I'm going to enter in your back end. Well, I promise I'm not trying to laugh with this Versace jumper and Rolex and shit, but it's too hot for a hoodie and too cold for a shirt. So I'm gonna have to like find a happy medium. It just so happens to be a LARP. Exposing Miami day trading LARPers. I know, I just realized my run would have been so chopped. How much is a free masterclass this Sunday and what broker do you use and can't you say otherwise we jam it up? Yeah, I can't put you on, bro. I can't put you on, man. Yeah, if this closes like this, I'll buy. Yeah, I'll buy personally. Yeah, I've switched up now. I'm Crips. because patience is key. Yeah, like it's really this is all the thing of trading is. It goes, okay, I know what to do, I know what I'm looking for. Now I just sit here, right? Just sitting here, waiting for that thing to present. If it doesn't present, then I just go away and go to the gym or something, go jack off or something. I don't know what you want to do, but that's it. That's the nature of trading. Then you come back and do it again, and then you do that for 50 years, and eventually you'll become a millionaire. Sort of. You have to do other shit, but that's the basic premise. Do you make any other businesses? Yes, sort of. Yeah, I've heard Wise payouts are disabled. It's tough with like payout providers like Wise, like such big providers. You got to realize that prop firms and things like that are considered risky to payment processing companies. So it's like, yeah, you're always probably going to get flagged. Come on, Gold. If Gold can't give us this, it's just been a nuked session. Nukology. GC. Wild, bro. Wild. Wild. I might still be interested. It's a shit trade though. This consolidation area, no trade should be taken. Yeah, we'll see. I'll see, man. There's nobody posts. Oh, is that why Ty did a bunny thing? Yeah, I said run a scam membership. Yeah, this girl that I was seeing was like, oh, let's go to like an arcade, and if we go, can we go on the motorbike things and like have a motor, you know, there's a motorbike things at arcade. I'm like, I can't do it. Like I can't be all perched over on a motorbike. Like, you know, when you're on those fucking motorbikes, why are they so zesty? I'm not like gonna be all like, whoa, like, nah, I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm not getting on one of those arcade motorbikes, bro. Do you believe in manifestation? I wouldn't call it manifestation, but yeah, 100%. 100%. You have to fucking visualize and attach feeling to the visualization. We've got a minute here. This is just doo-doo. But I'm generally grateful I found your work since last year. Your strategies taught me more than... Nice. Good shit, man. Let's get it. Yeah, good call. I know the 30 minutes breaking out. I can't take it. This isn't a case where I'd be interested in taking it. Yeah. And one last look at NQ. I'm gonna let this close. I'm just gonna wait. It's like the world's fucking longest stream. Is there any fucking viewers still here? Somehow there is. I want to let this close and just see one. I just want to see what this next candle does. I just want to see what this next candle does. If out of some crazy thing it goes like this, it pushes up, fails, wicks, and then does this and closes below. I just want to see what this candle does. What do you think about NQ breaking above? Nah, didn't do it anyway. Lean hogs. Bro's done 9 outfit changes in one stream. I know, Adrian. Feels. Come on, Goldie. Please be. We've been patient. We've been very good. Oh, shit. Hunter says he loves you. Yeah, I love him too. I do love him. I do love him. Let's see if our dreams could come true here with this potential trade. Wow, what a day. What a day to not trade. Look, it's really just been two states. Gold's just been in two like sections. It's kind of like market open, Asia, London, fucking New York. I'm so tired, I don't think I can get pre-sleep goon. Pez! Give Sig. Pez, give Sig, man. We've been waiting for 93 years. Been a pretty rough weeks. I wonder why. Jesus. Giving this candle a chance. I shouldn't be, but I am. With your strategy, I'm going to pass second phase soon again. Nice, let's go. W pass rate. Are you using daily loss limit? I mean on my personal account, yeah. Yeah, we're trying to spit some facts before in TikTok. TikTok held your boy down. Now my live stream's nuked. Been consistent for 6 months now, then blew my account today. All my fault, and the issue is due to overtrade and chasing. Any tips for when I start? I mean, if you're being consistent and you haven't done that shit in 6 months, you might have just had a bad day, man. Yeah, that's really good performance. If you haven't broken your rules and shit in 6 months, like you're already there. You don't need my advice. Yeah. Bro, bunny pose. That's so zesty, man. So let's see if gold breaks some of these highs and rejects. Like I'm asking for a miracle. But usually the moment I get off the stream, the next candle is like the fucking AAA plus ultimate 10,000 pip setup. But could we run out of volume? No, there's some volume here. There we go. I know, last stream it was like a beautiful setup straight after. Yeah, you usually notice candles consolidate for 7-8. Yeah, who knows, man. There's no like rule of thumb. It's just whatever price wants to do, I guess. What's your opinion on Bitcoin? I don't even think about it, bro. Let's have a look. Is it still going up? Yep. Wow, that's unbelievable. Bitcoin is not stopping here. I mean, again, like the gold, this is like the second biggest monthly candle ever, and you still got 7 days left. Not maybe third biggest or whatever, but still crazy, man. Oh, he would have spammed the green and red button 100 times? I'm really good at identifying when there's just shit. There's no range to trade. Like, it's not clear. Yeah, there's nothing there. Yeah, bro's gonna freaking smoke screen now. Pez out. Pez business means just vicious goon session. All right, Gold. Now you got this, and then you just absolutely melt. That's exactly what you're gonna do. Red rocket. I would like to ask you are from Melbourne. No, I'm from Brisbane, but I live in Dubai. Tissue box strat. Come on, Gold. Oh, and Q's going up. After this, I'm eating food and going to the gym. I didn't go this morning. Exhilarating story. You know, we've got 6 minutes here. Let's see if this can drop here. Let's see if we can get something happening. Even if this prints like relative, even if this prints here like this, I'll sell. I'll sell from here 100% and try and target down there. 100%. Bro, I've lost my entire capital and I've gone into depression. Could you please help me with $100? Could you suck me off? Please. I'm depressed because of that. Right? It's not how the world works. It's just not. It's just not. Yes. Sorry, man. I've been on stream for too long. Man. I can't. I just joined the broadcast. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry. I'm cycling through Bloods and Crips. Nah, I've never really focused on the DAX, to be honest. Thanks for the live in New York, Logan. Please have a look at this trade and guide me. Wait, can I actually do that? Please don't give me like some sort of virus or some weird shit. I don't think it works like that. Don't. I fucking did it. So dumb. Wow. 4 minutes here. Let's see. Come on, Gold. NQ breakout. I mean, it's already broken out. It's like pushing up. Hello, darkness, my little friend. Well, I'm going schizophrenic waiting for a trade. Can someone fucking say something entertaining? Three minutes. Take those gummies. I mean, in Dubai, fucking good luck. No buys? Nah. In the beginning I was here, now I'm a 5-figure profitable trader almost 2 years later. Let's get it!
In the beginning.
End the stream, don't have to put on a trade. Yeah. Goon strap for strap clarity. 2 minutes. Now reject gold. Reject! Flip red, close strong red. Monthly type 2, yeah. Oh, I need to add HT. Can you resend it then? How's life in Dubai? Worth moving there? It depends what you value in life. Let's go, gold. Good girl. Good girl. If I win this trade, I'm gonna do a handstand push-up. We've got 1 minute. Ty, can you do a handstand push-up? Holy shit. Bro. That was 3 handstand push-ups, Ty. You're not on my level, Chad. You're not on my level. Alright, we've got a minute for this candle closure. You need to go lie down. Good at the same time. Fuck it. Come on, gold. Close stronger than this, please. Close stronger than this, please. No, it's not going to do it, chat. "20 seconds. How old are you now? I'm 35 in dog years. No, it's not happening. We tried. Yeah, I'll probably delete this stream. It's just a brain rot sesh. But yeah, we tried. We tried, man. We did everything we could to try and get a setup here. The good news is we avoided unnecessary losses. Right? Didn't have to jump into some bullshit trade. There's nothing. The way that this candle is printed right now, there's nothing here for a while. What did NQ do? There's nothing here for a while on either pairs. Yeah. Get some good clips out of it. Yeah, that's a good point. Maybe there's some there. Do you put TP in relation to stop loss? I put TP in relation to market structure. Yep. What do you think about MFU? I heard the payouts are uncapped. That sounds like cap. If they're uncapped, I'm buying 10 accounts right now, full margin in them all. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Appreciate you guys for jumping on anyway. Have a good goon sesh after this. I'm going to go eat and go to the gym. Yeah, appreciate you, Roman. Right after you leave, God will break a bubble below. 100% it will. 100% it will. 100%. Yep. W3. Oh, you locked out. Stay, bro. There's a burger. Love you, gang. Peace and prosperity. I might be streaming on YouTube tomorrow, so I'll see you there if you're around. See you guys. Goodbye.